We're still under level 3 evacuation for our entire district. So our families are still scattered all throughout the state right now. So we're still under the process of even locating people. We've been trying to get info out to people that we've made contact. I don't know, with, I'd say maybe 3/4 or maybe 2/3 of our families. Some of them we just can't find or can't get responses back. We do have some casualties in our area.
Get away from donations, get away from anything. The only thing you should be doing is making sure that your kids and staff are safe. So whatever time you're putting in, one of the best things you can tell your community is all staff and students are safe and they're in temporary housing. It's really a time where you're going to not sleep at all. You're going to work 20, 22 hours a day. But you got to make sure you can find those kids. That's so important. And you're not alone. I have people 2 weeks into their fire that are still looking for kids because their computer burned up and they can't find access to their emails, or the family's lost all their cell phones.
We could be looking anywhere from 20 to 30% of our kids without homes coming back. And some of them, the ones that are coming back, are going to be coming back into, they have a house, but everything around it is gone. So, we thought mental health was an issue with COVID. What these kids are about ready to come back to is going to be pretty devastating. And it happened in the middle of the night too. So a lot of these kids were just ripped from beds and thrown in cars and left. One of the questions we asked our families was, do you have even a safe, stable place to be right now? And, we got about a dozen responses of no, that we've been able to connect out with those families to other outside resources to try and get them stable places. We've got some mental health stuff underway, prepped. We've got stuff, oh my gosh, like I almost am to the point where I can't handle semi-loads more of stuff being donated in. But it's a great thing. Donations coming in, cash donations. So I think we're starting to put together the infrastructure for relief.
So we're kind of starting a new phase of how we support our families navigate social services. So we're out here, we provide childcare as a school district and just some therapeutic play activities while parents can navigate the social services that are available here or just need a break.
Your job as the leader, as the head of that district, is to give them a new hope and vision and get them back to school.
Have gritty faith and deal with the gritty truth. What are the facts? And just be really clear with everyone. It is a difficult time. We will recover. It will take time.
We opened up our new temporary school site and we all came back together. If you actually have a trauma right here and you go through all of this in a really healthy way with a community, recognizing tools that will help you overcome it, you actually can come out after, like what Tim talked about, after your disaster, actually more empathetic, more creative, have a greater sense of purpose. And that is what we're actually experiencing in Paradise right now.